When you are working with the software and you face any issue, the first course of action is always to go through its documentation to see if you could find the solution to your problem. When it comes to AWS, if you're facing any issue, for me, it is always AWS documentation. But one of the problem which I faced when I am working with AWS documentation is that it's massive and not very well arranged. So when I stumbled upon this new tool which is called as AWS doc-extractor, it it is quite helpful in order to find out exact information what you're looking for. It's not always correct, but still quite helpful instead of just vanilla search into the AWS documentation. So in order to use it, you can just simply go to GitHub, and I will put the link to this tool in the video description. So go to the GitHub and then clone it from there by just git clone command. Once that's done, you can just install the dependencies. After the dependencies, you can start this server, which is API server, sync the docs, and that's it. And start using it easily. And you can go through the documentation to see various commands and stuff how can you use it. If you also want to see it in action and want to check the ready-made documentation, go to this new node website, and from there AWS Reference Notes website, and from there you can go through a lot of different services. As you can see, I'm here for EC2. Go to monitor. If you want to go to networking related to EC2, you can go here and then go through the information there. So it is very, very well arranged, especially for most of the common services which you can easily use. As you can see in the AWS SAM, there are some common issues, and then and they have really divided it into familiar topics like monitoring, getting started, and all that stuff. So I hope that you found it useful. If you have any insight or feedback on this one, please put it in the comment section. Thanks for listening.